Got the new one on there for my toolboxes. Combination smooth. Added a metric 7x1 lock nut in there. Saw it on a YouTube video. The guy did it on his Milwaukee box. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. So basically the idea is on your toolbox at least, once it's added on, you can see that it would normally have a gap right here, which makes it easy for someone to use bolt cutters on it. So this kind of covers up that gap perfectly, so that you can't really get a bolt cutter on it. Just makes it a little harder security wise. Love the color, love that it matches with the DeWalt, and I know it's not a toolbox lock, but it serves the purpose for me.